This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make coleslaw from a bag. First, select a high-quality prepackaged coleslaw mix, typically containing shredded cabbage and carrots. Next, gather your dressing components, which usually include mayonnaise, a type of vinegar, and a sweetener. Finally, ensure you have a large mixing bowl and a whisk or spoon ready for combining everything. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious side. Now, let's create that perfect creamy dressing. In a medium bowl, combine 1 cup of creamy mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of tangy apple cider vinegar. Next, add 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of salt to balance the flavors. Whisk these ingredients thoroughly until the mixture is completely smooth and all the sugar has dissolved, ensuring a consistent taste. With your dressing ready, it's time to combine everything. Carefully pour the entire batch of creamy dressing over the prepackaged coleslaw mix in your large mixing bowl. Using a large spoon or tongs, gently toss the shredded cabbage and carrots until every piece is evenly coated. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make the vegetables watery and less crisp. The final step is crucial for optimal flavor and texture. Cover your freshly mixed coleslaw tightly and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes or even up to a few hours. This chilling period allows the dressing's flavors to fully meld with the vegetables and slightly softens the cabbage, enhancing the overall taste. Serve your perfectly chilled coleslaw as a delightful accompaniment to any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.